Here are 5 rules you absolutely should know if you are new to Dubai and you use the RTA. It's the best way to save money on transportation, especially if you use it right. Dubai's public transport system is literally one of the best systems out there because it's clean, on time and affordable. But what nobody tells you is that it runs on very specific rules, and if you don't follow them, you don't get warnings, you directly get fines. The first one being tap out or pay more. So let's assume that you've taken the metro and then the bus, and then you've tapped for the metro ride and when you get into the bus. But now if you don't tap out, what happens is RTA assumes that you have taken the longest possible route and you get charged for it. So remember, next time you're in a bus, tap in and tap out to be on the safe side. The second one being the minimum balance rule. Your NOL card requires a minimum balance of 7.50 dirhams for it to be tapped anywhere. Even if your journey is like one stop and it's only going to cost you 3 dirhams, you still need a minimum balance of 7.50 in order to be able to travel. The third point being no food, no drinks in a public transport over here. Eating or drinking in the Dubai public transports like the metro or the bus can get you in serious trouble. Bad idea, because you can get a fine up to 100 dirhams, or if you damage any property, you can even be fined up to 2000 dirhams. To show you how serious this is, let me tell you, even chewing gum in public transport over here is considered to be illegal. So now you know even gum can get you into trouble, and that's because Dubai likes its public transport system to be spotless. The fourth point is that priority seats are not optional. So the priority seating here in public transport are enforced. So if an inspector comes and if you're not sitting on the right seat, you could be asked to move, and arguing will only get you into more trouble. And it is not difficult to identify these seats as they have proper demarcations in all public transport. That is the buses, the metros and all of that. So if you're young and able-bodied, let the women sit, let the pregnant women sit, or let the elderly sit. The fifth point is how you conduct yourself in public transport. This is not a written rule, but it is real. It's important that you do not disturb the other passengers traveling with you. So no reels on speaker, no loud calls or voice notes. Just make sure you wear your headphones and do your thing, and you let the others sit and travel in peace. Dubai's public transport system works so well because everybody follows these rules. Once you know them, it's honestly smooth, affordable and stress-free. If this video helped you, then share it with someone who's new to Dubai. This might literally save them a fine. So if you like this video and if you learned a little bit more about Dubai with me today, then like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.